Let's quickly tell you what exactly has happened in the Sushant Singh Rajput case. The latest twist is that there is now a case against Rhea Chakrabarti. An FIR has been registered in Patna. The place where this incident happened was Mumbai, but the FIR has been registered in Patna under various sections, including abetment of suicide, which is a big section. The family of Sushant Singh Rajput alleges that Rhea Chakrabarti, in fact, cheated him financially and mentally harassed him. They've also put in an amount, but we are not putting out that amount just yet because, of course, it's a matter of investigation. Rajput's family has accused her of abetment to suicide. The father says that we cannot trust the Mumbai police probe. I have with me the LJP chief, Chirag Paswan. Chirag, good evening. Good to have you on the show. If you can hear me, I want to ask you this one simple question. The incident happened in Mumbai. A probe has been going on in Mumbai as it is called an inquest proceedings, which means that initial investigations are carried out before a formal complaint is registered. Meanwhile, in Bihar, an FIR has now been registered. How do you look at this?
Well, I think the FIR that has been registered in Bihar, I think it's already too late in the day. I was expecting Bihar government and Bihar police to proactively take action against it a couple of weeks when this incident took place. But having said that, it's better late than never. Finally, an FIR being lodged there, and I just hope that the truth should come out, because Maharashtra police is investigating it at its own end. Now Bihar police is also involved. Multiple agencies are getting involved. I would suggest, rather I would want, and this was the reason I had a word with the Honorable Chief Minister Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray ji, last night, and I requested him to hand over the case to CBI. And this is what I want. Instead of multiple agencies inquiring about the case, it's better that one central agency takes over the matter, and so that the truth should come out.
What did you hear from the Maharashtra Chief Minister? What did he say? Because see, you need state approval for CBI.
Yes, of course, you need state approval, and I do understand, because he is the head of the state in Maharashtra, and law and order comes under the purview of the state only. It's a state matter. So definitely, yes, he was very, very confident about his department concerning this case. So I mean, he assured me that that whatever the investigation, the way it's shaping up, it's going in the right direction. He assured me that, trust me, that no biggies will be left. Every name which gets circulated, either through media or through the relatives or through the acquaintances, so whatever names that get circulated, they are investigating each and every matter,
no,
each and every case,
on a
each
CBI
and every
probe,
name. So this is what he assured me.
Specifically on a CBI probe, what did he say?
Well, he said if needed, whenever it will be needed, he'll take an appropriate action on an appropriate time. But I can understand he didn't assure me right now, and he'll not assure me right now, because I mean, he would want, it's his state matter, so he would want his state agencies only to investigate. But then this is my demand from my state government, because a person coming from Bihar, a Yuva Bihari, got either killed, got murdered, or committed suicide. I don't know what the situation was like. But yes, definitely I know that a Yuva Bihari got killed in another state, and that needs to be investigated, and my government needs to be more active about that. My chief minister needs to be more active about that. I don't understand the reason why. Like, I can have a word with Chief Minister Maharashtra. Why can't my chief minister have a word with him? Why can't he ask him to hand over the case to CBI? And this is all I'm demanding. I want the fact to come out.
No, but then, the point is, on one hand, you're talking to the Chief Minister of Maharashtra and you're saying that he has assured you of full cooperation and full investigation. At the same time, you also, from the way you're speaking, I feel that you smell a rat. You seem to suggest that something is amiss, and these complaints should have been filed a lot earlier. The investigation process should have been faster. How can you not trust the investigation and yet trust it?
No, of course, yes, I can smell a rat in here. I mean, of course, there are loopholes in the whole matter, and that needs to be investigated. My point of concern is that Sushant Singh Rajput ji is one case, you know. He's not only a famous personality in my state, Bihar. Across the country, there are n number of followers. Across the world, there's a huge fan following for Sushant Singh Rajput. So in a matter like this, if my state government doesn't react, I'm reacting, I'm speaking to the Chief Minister Maharashtra because it's my personal matter. Because I know the family personally,
let
I knew
me ask you this
Sushant
question.
Singh
See,
Rajput himself personally.
an
But I
allegation
want
over
my
here-
state also to intervene.
Chirag, an allegation over here will be that Chirag Paswan, who has been associated with the film industry in the past and now is an active politician, the head of a political party in a poll-bound state, is making this matter political. That it is in your interest to make
Of
this
course
political.
not. Of course
How
not.
would you respond?
No, no, not at all. Not at all. Not at all. I'm not making it political. Rather, I want to settle this debate once and for all. Because I want that if my state government doesn't react on a matter like this, you know, I mean, I can't have this assurance for the rest of the Yuva Biharis who are there in different states
Okay.
in our country, even at this time, even at this moment, you know, who are there in different states of our country. You know, how can you assure them you'll stand by them? How can my state government assure
Okay,
them
let
that
me-
they'll
let me
stand
ask
by
you
them
another question.
in an hour of need?
Chirag,
If
Chirag,
a
let me
matter
ask
like
you-
this can be
In the middle of all of this, see, this latest FIR has added a new twist to the Sushant Singh Rajput
Yes.
story. All
Yes.
this while we were
Yes.
hearing Bollywood divided on grounds of nepotism, that it is nepotism that created a situation like this for Sushant Singh Rajput. Now we hear a whole new different perspective to this story. What do you think was a
True.
fake narrative and what do you think is the reality? Do you think nepotism was the
I
reason
don't
why?
know. No, Sanket. I mean, honestly, I don't know, Sanketji. I have no idea. Trust me. I don't know what was the fake news, what is the correct news. I mean, it's all the matter of investigation. And this is what I've repeatedly been asking. Right from day one, I've been asking that a thorough investigation should take place. Whether it's nepotism, whether it's groupism, whether there's a nexus working behind the whole thing, or there's a personal reason. I mean, rightly said, a new angle, a new narrative has come in today after the FIR that's been launched by Sushant Singh Rajputji's father. A new narrative has come into picture. So whatever the reason is, the fact of the matter is that a young, learned, brilliant, intelligent boy coming from Bihar was in a different state and he got murdered or he committed suicide. I don't know. But
Let
I
me-
really want to know what was the
Sure.
reason behind it, and that's the only thing I
Sure.
want.
Let me
the
ask you
agencies to
my
work towards.
final question. Where do you stand on this nepotism debate, Chirag? I mean, you've been part of the
What
industry.
can I say on nepotism? I mean, I myself, I'm the outcome of nepotism. I think I am no one to comment on nepotism, to be very honest. But honestly, I think the correct word would be groupism rather than nepotism, you know. I personally feel that because whatever
No, but
through
have
my
you noticed,
acquaintances,
you
through
were
my
part of
friends
the
coming from
industry,
this
did you ever
this is what
notice
I
a
have
turf
learned.
war? Did you ever notice,
No,
producers
no,
ganging up
honestly
against
speaking, no.
someone talented?
No, honestly speaking, Sanketji, no. I mean, I had no such personal experiences. So I think it would be very wrong on my part to comment anything very strongly on it because I never experienced it. But yes, I mean, whatever that I have heard or I have learned from my acquaintances or friends or family, you know, so they suggested about this groupism concept.
Sure.
But whatever it is, I think it needs to be busted for once and for all, and that will happen only and only through an independent and a thorough investigation.
All right, Chirag Paswan, many thanks for joining us here and sharing your views. This is an extremely complicated situation as of this moment. Sushant Singh Rajput's death. There are now allegations of abetment to suicide. We must also tell our viewers, and we'll get you a more comprehensive report tomorrow, on how abetment to suicide itself is a very, very difficult charge to prove under the Indian Penal Code.